Hello, my name is Anton and I'm on a path to become financially free. So this is gonna be my kind of diary where I'm gonna list all of my ideas, all of my processes. So currently I'm writing a book, $1 Million Weekend by Noah Kagan. And it's quite interesting. He's talking about how we should do it now, not how, and I like this mindset because a lot of people, even me myself, I think how first and then I do it. And then I'm like being frustrated because how looks pretty scary and then why should I do it, spend my time. But if you just start it, it's gonna take you about, okay, it's gonna take you 2 days to start or just do something. And these 2 days is gonna be more profitable than, I don't know, weeks of researching, asking people and stuff. So I like this mindset and I'm gonna follow it. And first things I'm gonna do to start my business, to become financially free, is to find ideas, find problems, find people who have the similar problems, find how much they're wanting to pay for their problems to be solved. So basically, I'm gonna find need first, then I'm going to validate it, then I'm going to have client sessions, then I'm going to sell it. In these videos, in this series of videos, I'm gonna share my business idea. I'm gonna just elaborate on them, give a bit more descriptions, how I see these ideas. There's gonna be a lot of fun ideas, like they're not gonna monetizable at all. I mean, you can put subscriptions on them, but no one's gonna pay for it, right? So we're gonna discuss it as well. Let's jump in. My first idea when I thought about, okay, I need to start a business, I need to do something. I have no connections. I have like pretty bad network, and the first idea was to start a podcast with small and medium software agencies. And it's quite a nice idea when you have some money, when you have a bit more time, and you don't work your daily job, because you give knowledge to regular people who are going to become the small business or medium business owners, and it's nice to share knowledge by having these podcasts. But again, you need some cash, you need some more free time, you need to set up studio, you need to set up microphones, you need to buy them, right? You need to buy camera, you need to buy cameraman, you need to buy lights. So it's pretty nice idea when you have time for hobbies, right? But we are here to make some money, we're here to start quick, we're here to start with little cash, little investment. Then we're going to next business idea, which is goal setting tool with AI that helps you to follow SMART goal setting framework. So SMART goal setting framework basically translates to specific, measurable, actionable, relatable, and time bound. This framework helps me, and I believe it helps a lot of other people to set goals that are easy to follow, that are trackable, that you know, okay, in 1 month I need to be here, and in 2 months or by the end of the year I need this result, right? And it's okay if you don't meet these results, but it helps you to properly track them and not just procrastinate, which have happened. I mean, it happens to a lot of people, including me. And yeah, this is nice framework. And okay, I thought I need to set goals because until a couple of days ago, I didn't have a North Star goal where I should head to. And so the idea here is to have a tracking application that helps you to set goals using AI and SMART framework. And I'm not alone who is struggling to set goals, I believe. As I heard from a couple of YouTube videos and some researchers, that really small amount of people just set their goals, even less amount people write them down, and it's quite an issue. And if you imagine the ships in the ocean that have no idea where should they head, right? They have some cargo, and what is their final destination? So I believe having at least a North Star goal, like not achievable goal for now, that you think is not achievable, is a good goal that's gonna help you to just break it down by years, by month, by days, build habits and work on these habits. And yeah, it just helps you to have sort of direction in your life instead of living day to day, month to month. And this is about this goal setting tool. I thought, okay, it's a pretty nice idea. A lot of people would want this tool, but I don't think that they would want to pay for it. At least, I don't know, $20 a month for having tracking tool. You can buy a notebook and write it and write your goals down there, and then create some bullet journal and track all of your days and month, how you progressing, right? So why do you need to have a AI tracking tool for $20 a month that is going to do the same, but you're going to pay $20 once buying this notebook? And I think you can charge about $20 a month. You can even charge $50 a month when you have when you prove to people that okay, this application, this tracking tool is going to bring you a lot of value, right? So let's say you paid $20 and in 2 3 months you achieved your 1 year goal. Then okay, then the person who achieved it, okay, would think I would pay more if I'm gonna achieve more, right? But I don't think that's the case because it's more person related. So you can't force a person to achieve his goals, even though he's going to have this tracking tool. You're going to send reminders, some emails and stuff. So it's a nice idea, but I don't think there is some potential to monetize it, to sell it. So we're gonna move to the next idea. The next one is a fun idea. It's a pet name generator. I don't think you can monetize it, but it's a pretty interesting project to work on, to try to use some AI tools. But I'm here to find an idea that is going to bring me monthly sales, and it is not, this idea is not sellable, right? So you can't charge again, you can charge, I don't know, even yearly subscription for this. It should be free. You can use it to improve your portfolio as a software engineer or just as a, I don't know, entrepreneur. Just say, hello guys, I have this pet name generator tool. You can place some ads on the website and stuff, but it's pretty hard to make money on this idea, on this business. It's not even business, right? It's just some pet name generator. The next business idea, I see it's like non-profit business idea. Again, you might not make a lot of money on it. So it's lost pets in your area tool. For example, you lost your cat, you go to this application, you click add, pay your pet name, like all the description, and maybe and all of the persons that live in your area is going to receive this notification. So maybe like all your neighborhood, all of your city is going to receive this notification. So the main idea here is to help people find their lost friends, like cat, dogs, pigs, I don't know. Okay, again, it's nice, non-profitable idea. Maybe you can add advertisements on the website, but I don't think there is a big potential in here. The next one is an interesting one, is Muay Thai Wiki. So because I practice Muay Thai, sometimes I need to check how certain technique works, like how to properly punch, how to properly kick, knee, elbow. I find it pretty hard to, I don't know, research internet and YouTube, but there is no centralized resource where you can go, type what you need to improve, to check, and then you're going to receive a single result with videos and description and photos how to do it. And I thought, okay, maybe I'm not alone, right? So I'm going to the gym, I want to check how to do a certain technique. I want to know how to drill it in order to like practice, right? All the drills and stuff. And again, I don't think you're going to make a lot of money on such kind of subscription. You're going to charge about $5 a month, but then how many people do you need to make 10K a month on this subscription? I believe there are a lot of people in Chicago who would love to have this application, but I believe they would love to have it for free and not pay $5 a month for the thing that available online. Yes, it's gonna be centralized, it's gonna be consistent with videos and descriptions, but I don't feel that there is something that I can make money on. The next one is similar, is a fitness center library. So imagine some fitness center or gym, and you go to their website, you want to check, okay, I want to build like back muscle, I want to build biceps, I want to have the six packs. And imagine they have like a library navigation, so you click on it, the library button, and then you're being navigated to their library of all the muscles you can train, all the things that you need to do to build this muscle, maybe even some nutrition advices. Just a big library of information. You won't need to go to YouTube and save your time by going to the gym or fitness center website, click library, search what you want to work today on, and you have a bunch of videos, you have a bunch of machines that you can use to build certain group of muscles. But I don't think that library is going to bring fitness centers more value, so they would be able to sell more memberships. And the follow-up idea is gym machine QR codes. So imagine you go to the gym, you see the QR code on some machine, you can scan it, or being like redirected to this library that is going to basically show you all of the things that you can do with this machine, what kind of muscles you can build with this machine. Gym machine QR code, again, nice idea for beginners. I don't think that skilled gym visitors are gonna pay for it. And again, it's a good addition, but I don't think this is going to bring a lot of value to fitness centers and the members. That's why I think that it's not going to sell at all. Next idea is share subscriptions by placing an order. You go to the website, you place, I don't know, next family subscription. You basically open an order and you wait for people to sign up to your order. Then eventually order is fulfilled. So let's say you got 6 people under this order. This order is being closed. Everybody who subscribed, like let's say family subscription is $20 and everybody is subscribed for $3. Everybody receives the email and password to this account, and then you just enjoy family subscriptions not for $20 but for $3. The few points here is that all the email accounts for the Netflix account should be manageable only by the platform you're like placing order on. So basically this, I don't know, share subscription platform. Yeah, you won't be as a user of this share subscription platform, you won't be able to change password and email from the Netflix account. So all the security is going to be handled automatically by this share subscription platform. A few issues here is for each Disney, Netflix, Max, you need to be able to have a way to integrate your idea, right? So they would need to have an open API, so you would be able to create account based on the order. You would be able to manage this account by using their API. So yes, you bring value to people by splitting the amount for the subscription, but I think there might be a lot of speculations and it would be hard to control it. The next one is mobile gym delivery. So basically you're a homestay person, but you want to go to the gym, you don't want to drive yourself. You call mobile gym delivery, they deliver all the gym equipment to your home, you train, and then you just give it back and you pay money. Again, some issues here is that you won't be able to have all gym equipment, like, I don't know, bench pressing or some other machines. Maximum what you would be able to get is dumbbells. I don't think that someone is going to pay a lot of money for that. So basically the monthly subscription at the gym is about $50 a month, but you would need to pay for this mobile gym delivery. Like you're gonna pay like $20 a month, but if you train 3 days a week or 2 days a week, it's gonna be $40 a week. So you're gonna be paying like 4 times more than you can pay for the local gym. So there's no value in this idea, but it's just, again, a fun idea. The next one is AI menu generator. So I know there are a lot of services like food delivery services, groceries delivery services that provide you with building weekly and maybe monthly meals. But the key issue here that I see for myself is that okay, I don't want to my groceries to be delivered because I don't know what's quality of these groceries, right? So you can't select like from which local stores from they want to have these groceries from Whole Foods, they want to have these groceries from Juice. So I don't know the quality, I don't know if they're organic or not. Like service provider can say to you, okay, this is going to be fully organic, fully like natural, nor antibiotics, whatever, but hard to believe in it, right? So you want to buy product groceries yourself, and plus I don't want to have prepared meals as well. Yes, it's going to save a lot of time, but you would need to be on the like weekly or monthly subscription, and I don't want it to have this way to have like monthly or like daily meals, right? Then you would need if you don't want to have a certain meal on a certain day, you need to go to the cancel it. I thought, okay, if I don't want to have groceries that are being delivered to my place, I don't want to have meals that are being delivered to my place. What can I do? Simple solution here is to have some tool in which you list all of your products in the fridge based on your food preferences, like if you're allergic or not, if you're a vegan. You receive the list of meals that you can prepare just with the products that you have in your fridge, and it's a nice idea actually. And I believe there are a lot of people that see, okay, I have cucumbers, I have tomatoes, I have some meat, blah blah blah, what can I cook from this, what meal can I prepare from this? And I'm not the best cook ever. Of course I can Google it, what I want to prepare, like what type of main dish I can prepare with certain foods. But again, it's just research time that you're going to spend, like half an hour, how much you're going to spend to understand, okay, I can use this, I need to buy this, I don't have this in my fridge, I need to go to buy it. And this tool is basically is going to help you share meals that you can prepare with your set of groceries. Plus, it's going to show you what groceries are missing, plus where you can buy these groceries based on your location. So it's going to list all of your local shops where you can find these groceries. It's going to show you all the links to these products, right? To the Jewel website or the Whole Foods website or the Costco website. So it's going to show you the price of this food, all the nutrition stuff, calories, and all the information that you need to know about your meal. And I think it's a good idea. I think it's monetizable, so I believe I would be able to charge it at least $20 a month for such tool. You might be able to prepare your weekly meals. Let's say Sunday morning, you say, okay, I want to build a weekly meal. You type all of your preferences, all the foods you have, and then the AI just lists all of the meals that you are going to prepare this week, and all of the groceries that you need to buy, and maybe even the days you need to buy these groceries on, because not all the products are good after 2 or 3 or 4 days in the fridge. So it's also a good point here to just have a scheduled grocery shops, and it's going to help you to plan your weekly more precisely, so you won't have to have some random grocery shopping. So I think it's a good idea. I marked it for myself as a green idea, so I'm gonna to make some research. I'm going to create some quiz. I'm going to share it with my friends, LinkedIn network. Yeah, I'm just gonna work on it to see if somebody have this similar issue. If they have, then I'm gonna catch up with them to see what are their key problems and see if they're willing to pay for it. The next one is credit card statement closer application. So when I came to the US, of course, you need to have some credit cards. First card I had Bank of America credit card, then I got Capital One, then I have Amex, and you need to close all this card on the certain date with a certain amount. So right now I close my cards on 4.9% usage, because you need to build credit score and you should have a good credit score in order to have some credit. So basically, yeah, you need to close them in time. You need to have a 4.9 for basically around 5% of usage to show the bank that, okay, I use this credit card properly. The issue here is, as more credit cards you have, as more you need to close it like properly for each card. So let's say you have 4 or 5 credit cards, you need to close each of them with a different amount because it's percentage based and on a different dates. And the simple solution here is to have some application where you connect all of your bank accounts, like debit and credit ones, and then you set up recurrent payments on your credit cards. You set the date that you want to have this payment on. So let's say your card is closing on 17th, right? And then you want to close it 3 days before. So on the 17th, you want to have this certain amount, certain percentage. So the application should send a request to close this card like 3 days before, so on the 14th, because when you send the payment to the credit card, so you basically pay your debt, it's going to take some time to process it, about 2 or 3 days to make money appear on your credit card. So it's a good tool, but I think you won't be able to charge much for this kind of tool. It's a good tool to have for yourself and maybe to share with your friends, and then try to, maybe someone would want to have some extra functionality to manage their credit cards. Then you can think, okay, maybe I can try to monetize it, maybe I should do more research. But for now, it's not kind of business that I want to work on. It's not a business idea I'm really interested about. We're gonna move to the next idea. The next one is a unique idea checker. For me, it's good to know if I have some business idea. I go to this website, I type it, and I see how many persons, how many people also had this kind of idea. It's good to pre-validate your idea, I think, but I don't think it should stop you from, if you really like this idea, it shouldn't stop you from validating it with your, local network, with your friends and family. So it shouldn't stop you from moving forward to start it. But it's not nice, fun idea. You won't be able to monetize it, in my opinion. It also can be kind of social media or networking tool in which you can type your idea, see exactly which person wanted to have this sort of idea, and then you can collaborate with them. But yeah, it's fun idea, it's not monetizable. The next one is outfits generator with links to stores to this cloth. Easy problem here. You need to build outfits, your daily outfits, and you need to find some clothes that you want to wear, that you want to combine properly to have a nice, neat look. The simple solution here is to have some outfits generator based on your preferences, like they want to have business casual, they want to have this casual, what kind of colors you want to include in this outfit, and then the AI is going to generate you all the possible combinations, maybe even with some pictures or images from Pinterest or just some generated ones, and then it's going to link similar items in your stores or just in your city. Yeah, again, it's fun idea. You won't be able to charge it. It might be good for your portfolio, but again, it's not a business idea that is going to bring me some money. The last one is SaaS for job matching platform like Glassdoor. So the main idea here was to parse all the job posts from platforms like Glassdoor, Dice, LinkedIn, Indeed, Built-in, move it to your database, then create some unified UI on which you have all of the filters, and you can filter all the jobs from all of the platforms. Pretty nice idea. You also can extend it with some AI tools again. So based on your CV, you would receive more related to you jobs. So it would be more accurate rather than in LinkedIn, where you have top 10 jobs, top 20 jobs just promoted and not related to your field, not related to your filters at all, and not related to your profile. One branch of this idea would be to parse, to web scrap all the jobs and then sell it to platforms like Resume Boarded, who already have this AI capability for building CVs and analyzing jobs. It's a nice tool. You can sell it not even to Resume Boarded, but just all other platforms that need some data source. But I think that's not the quick and easy, it's not a quick way to become an entrepreneur. So yeah, it's just not the idea that I want to work right now. In the future maybe, but just not right now. And this was my list of ideas for this video, for this week, and I'm gonna try to post one video a week with all my ideas. I hope I'm gonna succeed. We'll see it in a couple of months. Yeah, I'm gonna see how it's gonna work out. If you're the same person as me, looking for financial freedom, it's never too late to start, I would say.